Imagine this. You want one pickup that can survive American highways, Asian city traffic, tight parking, bad roads, high fuel prices, and still look tough enough to impress. You don't want a truck that drinks fuel like water, breaks your budget, or becomes a headache after warranty. So the big question is simple. Is the 2026 Ford Ranger the smartest pickup money can buy right now for USA and Asian buyers? Stay with me, because what Ford has done with this Ranger may surprise you more than a full-size truck ever could. The 2026 Ford Ranger is not trying to be the biggest pickup on the road. It's trying to be the smartest. In the USA, the expected starting price sits around $34,000, while higher trims go close to $46,000 depending on options. In Japan, import prices usually land higher, around 5.8 to 6.5 million yen. Across ASEAN markets like Thailand, Philippines, and Indonesia, pricing typically falls between $38,000 to $45,000 equivalent. That puts Ranger right in the sweet spot for buyers who want power without paying luxury truck money. Now let's talk fuel, because this matters a lot in Asia. The 2026 Ranger comes with improved turbo petrol and diesel engines, and in some markets, a hybrid option is either available or expected. The diesel version delivers around 10 to 12 km per liter in mixed driving, which is excellent for a pickup. On highways, you can push even higher if you drive calmly. The hybrid version, where available, can save you up to 25% in fuel costs, especially in traffic-heavy cities like Tokyo, Bangkok, Manila, or Karachi-style conditions. That alone makes the Ranger more practical than many older pickups. Maintenance cost is another big win. Ford designed the Ranger with global markets in mind. Service intervals are longer, parts are shared across regions, and mechanics already understand this platform. In the USA, average yearly maintenance stays reasonable compared to full-size trucks. In Asian markets, parts availability is strong, especially because Ranger is built and sold widely in Thailand and surrounding regions. This means cheaper labor, faster repairs, and less waiting time. Resale value is where the Ranger quietly dominates. Pickups hold value better than sedans in Asia, and Ranger is one of the strongest in this category. After 5 years, resale remains solid because buyers trust Ford's durability and the Ranger's reputation for toughness. Compared to electric trucks or niche imports, Ranger feels safer for long-term ownership. Performance is simple to explain. In the city, the Ranger feels lighter than it looks. Steering is easy, visibility is good, and the suspension absorbs broken roads well. It doesn't feel like a truck that fights you at low speed. On highways, the turbo engines give smooth overtaking power. You don't need to floor it. Just press the pedal and the Ranger moves confidently, even when loaded or carrying passengers. Ownership costs matter more than ever. Insurance for the Ranger is lower than full-size American pickups and much lower than electric trucks. In Asian markets, insurance companies already know this model, so premiums stay controlled. Parts availability is strong, and because this pickup is sold globally, you don't face rare part problems. That peace of mind is priceless for overseas buyers. Now let's do a quick reality check against competitors. Tesla's pickup may look futuristic, but for Asian buyers, charging infrastructure, repair costs, and resale risk make it a difficult choice. One accident or battery issue can cost more than years of Ranger fuel. Toyota Hilux is the classic rival. Hilux is reliable, no doubt, but the Ranger offers better ride comfort, more modern tech, and stronger on-road driving feel. For city use and long highway trips, Ranger feels more refined without losing toughness. What makes the 2026 Ranger truly smart for Asian roads is balance. It is not oversized like American full-size trucks, so parking is easier. It handles narrow streets, speed breakers, and uneven roads without stress. At the same time, it still gives you high ground clearance, cargo space, and weekend adventure ability. This is exactly what Asian buyers need, especially those who want one vehicle for work, family, and travel. Interior comfort is another reason this pickup works so well. The cabin feels more SUV-like than truck-like. Seats are comfortable for long drives. Infotainment is easy to use, and driving fatigue is low. For overseas buyers importing from the USA, this matters because you want comfort, not just power. The hybrid and efficient diesel options also future-proof your purchase. As fuel prices rise and cities tighten emission rules, having a more efficient pickup protects your wallet. Compared to pure electric trucks, you don't worry about range anxiety, charging stations, or battery degradation. So when you add everything together, fuel economy, maintenance, resale, performance, insurance, parts, and real-world usability, the 2026 Ford Ranger stands out as a smart, safe, and practical choice for USA and Asian buyers. It doesn't try to impress with extreme numbers. It wins by making daily life easier and ownership cheaper. If you want a pickup that works hard, saves fuel, holds value, and still feels modern, the 2026 Ford Ranger deserves serious attention. If this review helped you, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications, because more honest car reviews are coming, and you don't want to miss what's next.